Like, comment, subscribe. It's a box Chevy world.
Salute to everybody, man. I appreciate y'all for this 1,000 subscribers. Y'all don't know how much it means to me. This is a giveaway video and a quick update. But yeah, I got a lot going on. Super aggravated. I've been anticipating this video for a while now, but long story short, life been lifing, man. My father passed, so I'm going through a lot. And yeah, this video is actually gonna be way shorter than I expect, because long story short, I'm just super aggravated. But please like, comment, subscribe. If you're not, all you gotta do to win this giveaway is like the video and drop a comment. So you'll be getting this snap-on brand new jacket, this Harley bag, and a Harbor Freight gift card. So I appreciate everyone who's been here since day one, and everybody who's just now tuning in. We're giving away this box Chevy for free. Candy paint. I will get to it soon. I just gotta get some shit in order. And as soon as I do, we are pulling this out ASAP, along with Black Privilege. But thank y'all. Love y'all. Peace and blessings.